Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to replace the headlight bulb on a Jeep Patriot. It's the same from 2007 until now 2015. Stay with us to see how to do that, and don't forget to subscribe for about 5 new videos every week. What you need to do first, you need to open the hood, and we're going to demonstrate on the right hand side headlight right there. It's the same procedure for both left and right. You need to make sure that you open the hood and put the safety lock right there. And now this is the headlight right there, the headlight bulb. Need to turn to the left. It's about quarter revolution, 90 degrees, and you pull it out of there. Okay, and this is the bulb. So in order to replace it, when you get the new bulb, never ever touch the bulb with your fingers, because it's gonna burn really quick after that. What you need to do, you need to pull that red thing to the back and pull it, press this one down and pull. And that's how you replace it, and you just put it back together the same way. You lock the red thing, you install it there, and you turn to the right this time. Again, about quarter revolution. And that's the whole procedure for replacing the headlight bulb. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.